What up, guys? It's your boy Shell Shock again here, and the NBA cards addiction continues. And today we are going to unbox and rip this 2019-2020 Chronicles. This is retailed maybe probably like $40 or less, but we got it for resale for $75. Thank you for my lovely wife for sponsoring this video. Thank you. All right, so I didn't buy this box; she bought it for me. So shout out G-Shock. Soon I'll be back to mini 4-wheel drive, so you don't have to spend money for cards. Anyway, here is my pulls from last time. You can see this is Tyrese Halliburton rookie card sweater. So this is a winter edition NBA hoops with a sweater, actual sweater over there that he wore. So it's probably like part of the jersey. So it's probably the side of the jersey. So this jersey cards, there's always a part of the jersey that he wore. All right, so that's one nice pull right there last time. And I also got Rui Hachimura. They got eliminated just like my Grizzlies, but this one is a red prism right there. It's pretty nice. It's another rookie card. And I got a luminance of Zion Williams. I kind of like the kind of like it's like a photo magazine look on it. And so those are my three latest good pulls. And I also got this Prism Grant Hill jersey card. Yeah, right here. But we're not gonna do those old stuff. All right, so here we're looking for a pink parallel, and also there's a bunch of rookie cards over there probably. So this is the draft pick with Zion and Ja. So Ja and Zion, please be nice with us. And if you're trying to look what are the things that to expect on this blaster box, it's all written right here. All right, so let's stir this up. So let's get this going. All right. So that's the Panini seal to authenticate it. Don't buy a box that is open already. Just one thing that I'm gonna suggest with you guys. All right, so there you go. You can use the dunk code too if you're using the app. All right, so let's do this. All right, ripping 101. Ooh, did I rip it? All right. Ooh, there's no hashtag. Who do you collect over here? All right, so there's 40 cards in here, 5 cards per pack. We have 8 packs. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see. First pack, be kind to me, babe. All right, she really don't want to help me. She's tired. Okay, first pack. Here we go. Rip this one. Ooh, let's see. Let's start on top. Alright, so we got a Chronicle one. Darren Fox. That's good. Oops, let's see. Who's this one? Ooh, is it a rookie card? Ooh, it's a dunk. Somebody dunk. Giannis. Oh, and it's a pink. You see that? The fonts are pink. So that's probably pink parallel, right? If I'm not mistaken. That's a nice one. That's a Panini card. Giannis. That's a nice shot too. Him dunking. Ooh, this one is Sekou Doumbouya. So rookie from the Pistons. Oh, so we got a rookie card. Ooh, I forgot. Every time I get a rookie card, I sleeve it. All right, let's see. Here's my sleeves. Right here. Oops. Ooh, did I mess that up bad? All right, that's Darren Fox, my base card. I got Giannis. That's a star. So I'm gonna sleeve that. All right, next would be Anthony Davis. I don't have that card yet, so that's good. Let me sleeve this rookie card first. That's a good rookie card right there. This one's Anthony Davis, and next is nice because I love this player. This is a rookie card. Carson Edwards from Boston Celtics. Unfortunately, they got eliminated in the playoffs too. But I love this guy. So that's another rookie card. Anthony Davis and Giannis right here. Playbook. Lakers are still alive. Bucks move on to the second round. All right. Next. Looking good so far. See if we can get what our money's worth. Alright. Ooh, I love this Chronicles pack. Ooh, first card. Another Sekou Doumbouya. It's a prestige rookie card. Pretty nice. Alright. Next is Chronicles base card. Let's see. Jamal Murray. Okay. That's a good one. Girly love this guy, so you're gonna be on this side. Next card. Ooh, I see. Ooh, it's a Panini Tread. Atlanta Hawks. DeAndre. Nope. Cam Reddish. Not bad. So Panini Tread base card. Let me see. Ooh, something is shiny. It's a marquee card. Dun 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 dun. Another Cam Reddish. Ooh, 2 Cam Reddish, huh? Alright, and next would be a Lakers from the Lakers. Anthony Davis. Anthony Davis! Whoa, look at that. So that's a nice card. That's a pink parallel, I think. Or pink holo, whatever they call it. Anthony Davis essential card. This is an essential card. Alright, so let me grab a top loader for that. So that's nice. Huh? Look at that. Aren't we lucky right now? Aren't we lucky today? Let me see. Give me a top loader. Where's my top loaders? Here. Top loader right here. So I got 2 Anthony Davis so far. Very nice. Alright. Then Cam Reddish. Marquee card. Alright. Put it, I guess, here. Alright. Looking good so far. I wish that was a that essential. I wish we could get more. I wonder if I get one, I will not get anything more. So let's see. Alright. Base card, Julius Randle from the Knicks. They're out. They got kicked out by Atlanta Hawks. Good game. Another card, Derrick Rose. Derrick Rose base card. And oh, actually no, it's a purple parallel right here. Pink parallel. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So we might sleeve that one too. Alright, next one. Is this Kendrick Nunn? Give me Kendrick Nunn. Come on. Yes, sir. Woo! Kendrick Nunn. Alright. Let me sleeve this one too. This one. I love this. I love this pack. I like the Chronicles. I like the Chronicles because Chronicles. Oh, there's always something good in there. All right, another rookie card by Kendrick Nunn. He is good too. He ended up being number 3. Orleans. Oh, another Zion. No, it's Jackson Hayes. Oh, I wish it's another Zion. I could sell that. No. This one's Kendrick Nunn. Jackson Hayes, another rookie card. Ooh, another shiny. Ooh, let's go, Zion. I'm so happy to see you, my boy. This one is a better parallel than, I don't know what parallel it is, but this is way better than the other one. All right, let me compare it. Where's my other one? Ooh, I'm so excited right now. I'm so glad to see you, my boy, Zion. Ooh, that's money. Stay there. Let me see. Where's my Zion here? There you go. Oh, it's the same that I got. There you go. So I can sell one of these. That's good. I thought it was a different parallel. I got too excited with that one. But look at that. All right. Now I can sell this. I got 2 Zions now. I pulled that last time. Where's that top loader? Again. Let's go, Zion Williams. That's good. I wish it was a number card too. If it's a number card, that would be a different story. But for Zion collectors, I got one for sale over here. Right. Put it on the top loader. There you go. Rookie card right here. Actually, put it here. Alright. How many we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 5. Got 5 more. 2 is open. Oh, 3 is open. 5 to go. Alright. Do this. Ooh, this one's thick. This one's thick. Ooh, I'm feeling it. It's hopefully not a filler. Hopefully this is like a jersey card. All right, first card already good. Prestige. Tyler Hero. All right, that's another rookie that I love. Next would be Kimba Walker. All right, Boston Celtics. Already out, as I mentioned earlier. It's a base card. That's nice green right there. All right, next card. Ooh, yes, it's thick. Ooh, come on, be kind to me. All right, you know what? I'm gonna do it last. Let's do it in the back. Jordan Poole, essential card. How about that? I have this card already, but it's nice to have another one. So you can double your luck and you can sell it. Now I can sell a lot of Jordan. They did good. They got kicked out in the play-in by Memphis Grizzlies. Of course, my team. But they did really good. The Golden State Warriors. This kid is really promising. Alright, Jordan Poole. Alright, next card would be Giannis. Whoop. Giannis. Another Giannis. But the other Giannis is a different... so you can see the difference. You see the one I'm talking about? That's the pink fonts right there. But still good because it's Giannis. So we'll sleeve it. No, Giannis going over there. Next card is... Ooh, this is Anthony... Oh, another Anthony Davis? Or that's the one that I had? Oh, it's the one that I had. Alright. Next. Whoa, here we go. Troy Brown Jr. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Now I don't have a case like this again, but this one is a jersey card and it's a rookie card. Troy Brown Jr. from the Wizards. I wish it's Denny, but that's pretty much one of the nice pull over here. I didn't thought that I'm gonna pull something like this in the Chronicle batch, but this one is good. So you go with Halliburton. And then I got Kimba Walker right here. It's a baseball card. Alright, we got 4 more cards. Let's go in the bottom. Ooh, are you feeling thick? Are you feeling thick? I am feeling something thick again. So we'll save that for last. Alright, let's do this. Next card, or Devontae Graham. I like this dude. I love this dude. He's really good. He just got hurt this year, but he's good. Next is a Panini Tread. Dumbuya, rookie. So we'll sleeve that. Another rookie because I collect rookies. Next is Marcus Morris. Oh, it's an optic card. I never had an optic card. You know, this is my first time having an optic card because I never buy an optic blaster. So this one is a Panini Tread. See, what I like with the Chronicles is Chronicles, they have different kinds of card. This one's a rookie card right here. Marcus Morris from the Clippers. Next is Kevin Porter Jr., rookie card. This one is Marcus Morris optic card. And he said he got traded. Not in the Clippers no more. Alright, so you're going there. Kevin Porter Jr., our essential card. Oh, nice! Marquee card. And it's a rookie card too by Kendrick Nunn. Look at that. Look at that. Kevin Porter Jr. rookie card. Dude, my sleeves are gonna be like all gone by the time I'm done with this. Because these are just sleeves over sleeves over sleeves. Babe, I got another Zion.
Where?
It's the same one, so I can sell it. And I got a Kendrick Marquis. These are like good players. He's next to Ja next. And look at this. I'm gonna show you. I got Giannis. Look at that. Jackson Hayes, Derrick Rose with the purple thing because that's more valuable. Then I got Cam Reddish. And I got Kendrick Nunn. But look at these rookies. Look at this pile of rookies. Rookie. Tyler Hero, Kendrick Nunn. See, Carson Edwards. The rookies are good. And this is the valuable one. Look. I got Poole. I got Zion. Look at this parallel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that will cost a little bit. And look at this. This is a rookie card. I wish it's Denny. You're always lucky. You're always lucky when you buy stuff.
Yeah.
Next time, just...
And you still don't want me to buying that.
Yeah, but I'll pay for it. I told you. Next is Joel Embiid. Joel Embiid. They advance, so they're good. Next card is another rookie card, playbook card, and another pink parallel. I don't know if it's called pink parallel, but those are pink fonts. Kendrick Nunn. Dang, I will have like a Kendrick Nunn collection after this. I think this pack is like a Kendrick Nunn pack. But I'm getting like good playbook cards. This one is Terrence Davis. Another rookie card. A bunch of rookies. Love it. Another Kendrick Nunn playbook. Oh my god, I won't have like too much Kendrick Nunn by now. And look at this Tyler Hero Recon card. Look at that. Whew, I'm so glad to see you, buddy. This will cost me a little bit. Alright. Alright. This pack is worth it. I don't know why people are sleeping on this blaster, but if I can get all the blaster with this, I'll get it. You know? The Tyler Hero kind of declined this year. They got kicked out, but still, Tyler Hero rookie card. Rookie card is a rookie card. I'm so glad to see you, buddy. Beautiful. Alright, so I got 2 Kendrick Nunns. We gotta sleeve this too. If you guys are wondering why I'm sleeving every rookie card I get, is because I collect them all. I collect them personally. And then every year I collect it. I'm start collecting it. Alright, so we got 2 cards left. Whew. Tyler Hero. Tyler Hero. Tyler. Alright, let's remove Zion. Alright, it's this thick. Ooh, looks thick. Give me an auto. Give me an auto. Give me an auto. Give me an auto. Ooh. Oh, Kevin Porter already peeping over there. Darius Garland, rookie card. Prestige. PJ Washington, rookie card. Alright. Chronicles card again. Alright. 2 rookies. Next. Jason Tatum. Okay. Base card, but he's a star, so he's good. Ooh, another marquee card. Let me see who's this. Give me a good one. Come on. Ja rookie card, please. PJ Washington Jr. marquee card. That's not bad. Ew, and Kevin Porter Jr. Another marquee card. I got 2 marquee cards, and these are like pink parallels. Oh my god. These are good. These are good rookie cards. I think I'm gonna buy more of the Chronicles. Chronicles are just banging. Time I get a Chronicle, it's always good. You know? Always good. Especially this parallel right here. Pink. Alright, PJ Washington. PJ Washington. Right there. Rookie. Too many rookies. Sorry if I'm taking too long with my last pack right there. I think we're done with the pack. We already got our money's worth. By just that Tyler Hero and Zion, we already got our money back. Alright, let's see this last pack. Dun, 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 dun. Last pack. We're right. Oh, whoo, whoo. Hey, baby. My favorite Grizzly. Ja Morant, rookie card, base card. I don't care, because it's Ja. And, ooh, another Zion Williams. Woohoo! Alright, so this pack is really worth it. Alright, they got our money back with this, because we have another with this guy. These two mofos. These 2 mofos. Look at that card. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Zion Williams.